We are very happy. NDA has selected C.P. Radhakrishnan as Vice President of India. He is the best suitable candidate. We are very happy to extend our support to him. Telugu Desam joined NDA before elections. Both governments in Delhi and also Andhra Pradesh, we are having NDA governments. NDA has selected him as a Vice President of India candidate. Naturally, we are very happy. Apart from that, he is a gentleman. He is also very, very patriotic. He is going to bring pride for our nation. That is how things are going to happen. Why you are all having media sometimes unnecessary doubts. Every political party don't suspect. Even this alliance is before elections. We are together. Even Telugu pride, all these things, it won't happen here. Even sometimes we supported even long back P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man as MP. He became Prime Minister, we supported him as MP. That is a different issue. Here, we are in alliance. How can you expect that we can support other candidates?
But sir, opposition was raising such speculation that you
No,
will
what
be
I'm saying,
supporting
why